Tired of spending hours running messy SEO audits, only to get lost in spreadsheets full of technical jargon? Well, what if you had a tool that actually gave you clear step-by-step SEO recommendations without the overwhelm? That's exactly what today's AppSumo lifetime deal, SiteGuru, is all about. SiteGuru is an SEO audit and optimization tool designed to make your website easier to rank. Instead of dumping raw data, it gives you a prioritized to-do list, so you'll know exactly what to fix first to boost your SEO. Whether it's missing meta tags, broken links, or indexing issues, SiteGuru surfaces the problems that matter most and walks you through the fixes. Here's what makes SiteGuru stand out. Step-by-step SEO optimization. You get a clear roadmap instead of random alerts. Technical SEO audit. Catch errors like broken links, duplicate titles, and slow pages before Google does. Keyword tracking and analysis. Monitor your rankings, discover new opportunities, and spot keyword losses fast. Google integrations. Connect Google Analytics and Search Console to see all your data in one place. Plus, you'll get weekly SEO updates, so you're always on top of changes. In short, SiteGuru combines technical audits, keyword tracking, and reporting into one simple dashboard. Now here's the kicker. On AppSumo, you can grab SiteGuru for a one-time payment starting at $79. That covers one website with up to 500 pages. Need more? You can stack additional codes, up to 10, for bigger sites or client portfolios. This lifetime deal replaces subscriptions that normally cost hundreds per year. And with AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee, there's zero risk in trying it out. You'll find the AppSumo link to SiteGuru in the description below. Don't wait too long though. Like all good lifetime deals, this one won't be around forever.